Today I want to show you the single displacement reaction between calcium and water. Check it out. For this experiment, I'm using a 250 milliliter metric flask with 50 milliliters of distilled water, a funnel, a beaker with 50 milliliters of distilled water, phenolphthalein as an indicator, and crushed calcium. Remember, calcium is an alkali metal having 20 protons. It was discovered in 1808 by Sir Humphrey Davy through the electrolysis of lime. So when we add our calcium to our water, you'll see a single displacement reaction that will displace hydrogen gas and create calcium hydroxide. But it'll displace so much hydrogen gas that we'll be able to create a calcium candle. Check it out. And now we're ready for our reaction. We're going to add just a little bit of calcium to our 50 milliliters of distilled water. You don't need a lot. And right away, you'll see the production of hydrogen gas. We get a little bit of gas coming out. We could ignite it. You heard a little pop there. Get a little more gas. And look at that. We have our own hydrogen gas candle. Isn't that cool? In addition to hydrogen gas, we created calcium hydroxide, and we should be able to test that with a base indicator called phenolphthalein. In the presence of an acid or water, phenolphthalein is clear, but in the presence of a base, it changes color. Let's see what happens when I add a little bit of calcium hydroxide to our beaker with phenolphthalein. Look at that. It turns pink. Definitely calcium hydroxide. Isn't that cool? Here's the balanced equation for this amazing single displacement reaction. We start with the reactants calcium and water. We have 1 mole of calcium, that's the Ca, and 2 molecules of water, that's the 2H2O. When those are combined, we get the products calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. We have 1 mole of calcium hydroxide, that's the CaOH2, and we have 1 mole of the diatomic molecule of hydrogen gas, H2, in this awesome single displacement reaction. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.